Hi everyone, my name is David and I'll be teaching you how to make a very nifty video using tools you likely already know how to use. The first tool is Microsoft Office 365 PowerPoint. Very important that it's the 365 version. You'll also need a computer and access to the internet. If you don't know how to access Microsoft Office 365, click these instructions here. Here's an example of what you'll be creating in this video. This is a nifty transition called Morph on top of high-quality backgrounds. Make sure to follow along carefully with each step and try it out on your own computer. Let's go ahead and dive right in. To begin with, make sure you have PowerPoint open as well as a web browser like this. Search for Slides Gala or Slides Carnival. These are two of my favorite sites to find clean, good-looking templates for PowerPoint. When you find a template that matches your project, download the template and open it in PowerPoint. It may look something like this. Remember, you don't have to use every example slide. You probably should just pick a few. Here I have selected a slide with a clean background, and I'm changing the content of the slide to match what I want to say, as well as the size of the text. I'm also removing all of the extraneous information on the slide, like the bottom part that says I am Jaden Smith, and also the number 3 on the top. After I've cleaned up the slide and I've gotten it ready to go, my first step is going to be replacing the background image. In order to do that, I'm going to search Google, but I'm going to search in a particular way. I'm searching Vietnamese cuisine, and then I'm going to click on Images here. After I click on Images, then I click on Tools, and this brings up a new menu. I click on the down arrow next to Usage Rights, and I make sure to select Labeled for Non-Commercial Reuse. This will narrow my search to images that I have the legal right to use. Then click Size and choose larger than at least 1024 by 768, and it could be even larger than that. This will allow you to search for high-resolution images. Do not click on a small version of the image like this one. If you right-click on the small version and save it, you will end up with a very pixelated, poor-quality image in your final project. Instead, right-click on a larger version of the image like this, click on Save Image As, make sure you save it to a place on your computer that you remember, and don't forget to give it an appropriate title. I'll title mine Walk Food. Then click on Save. Now, right-click on the background, and then click on Format Background. Now, click on Insert Picture from File, and then choose the file that you just downloaded. I'm going to choose this one, and then click on Insert. And that's it. That's how you change the background image. Now, before you get your content exactly how you like it, let me show you a neat transition. This is called the Morph transition. First, right-click on a slide, and duplicate that slide by selecting Duplicate. Now you have two of the same slides. Now, adjust the text on the second slide to be something new. You could change its position, its size, its color, the number of text items, or even add a picture. Then, click on Transitions and select Morph. When you select Morph on the right-hand side, an Effect Options button will open up. Choose Characters. You can also experiment with the other choices, objects and words, but for now, just choose Characters. Now to test, click on Preview here in the upper left. So I'm going to click on my second slide, then click on the Preview button, and we have this awesome new transition. And I can click on the next slide and click on Preview, and again we have this Morph transition. Finally, we need to export this PowerPoint as a video file. In order to do that, I'll go up to File in the left-hand corner, and then Export. Make sure that you title this appropriately and that you know where you're going to export the file. And then click on File Format and change it to MP4. You can leave presentation quality, all of that is fine. And then you're going to want to click over here and change the timings. Now I like 3 seconds between slides. You might need longer, it depends on your presentation. And then finally click on Export. If you don't have the option to export as an MP4, it might be because you don't have the right version of Office. You need Office 365. Notice down here, I've got a blue line. This shows me how quickly my computer is creating that video file, and it looks like it's done. The final step is to find that file on your computer, click on it, open it up, and test it to make sure that it's working. And that's how to quickly and easily make a great looking video from PowerPoint using templates and the Morph transition. Good luck!